Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to change an auxiliary V-rib belt. And as you can see, this one here is in a very sad state, very badly damaged, needs replacing ASAP. And I'll zoom in there and show you what terrible state it's in. There we go. So let's get this video done. Please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, leave a comment. Okay, so this is the belt here now. It goes this way and it comes straight around and it goes right up to the top. That's very hard to get this here. Very top wheel up here, and then it goes. It's like it's in like an L shape, and then it comes underneath the tensioner pulley. So we need a 16mm spanner to release the tension on the tensioner pulley. So that's what I have got there now, and as you can see, if you push it upwards, it releases the tension just like so. And when I push it up, I can release the belt there. Haven't you pushed it up? There you go. And then we can take the belt off. More if you can get it. That's that. Now you can let go gently, let go easily. That's it. So we get the new belt. You get the new belt, we replace that back in there now. So here we have the new one. As you can see, lovely condition. Obviously, this is the old one that came out. Let's have a look at this. And it's literally absolutely banjaxed. So very bad state altogether. So let's get the new one in. Okay, so look, this is the way I'm doing it here now. So I have it very hard to show you. It's hanging on the top pulley. It's on this bottom one here. It has to go around this one as well. So I have the 16mm ring spanner on there to adjust the tightener. So when I pull this up, I'll be able to wrap it around this one here. So Evan might be able to show you from the top. So just take that off there, so you can show from the top. Correctly on the top. And then that's that out here. That's that one. Top first. down. This is good. This is good. Let's just get a bit more on the tension. There we go. Now, 100% check here. It's on the pulleys there probably. Yes, it is. It's on there probably. Yes, it is. It's on there probably. Yes, it is. And just to be 100% sure. You'll never be too sure with these things. Make sure it's on there. That's it. Beautiful. So, that is it now. Show me down here, Evan. So that's it for down there properly. So that's how you do that. It's easy enough. It's awkward, as you can see from that, like, but you know, it's an easy enough job for anyone to do. But anyway, we'll start the car down and see how she runs. So there we go. That's how I done it now. It's a bit awkward filming to do a video, actually getting the shots of replacing the belt, but it's really simple. It goes in an L shape like this, and then it hoops around the tensioner pulley in the back around. So it's quite simple belt to replace. But I don't know what I'm going to do is fire over the engine. Let's see how she runs. Please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, take care.